I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling developer options so you can change background battery behavior. Go to Settings, About Phone, and tap build number 7 times until you see a confirmation. Once done, go back into Settings and open Developer Options under System or Advanced. Make sure USB debugging is enabled if you intend to use a DB commands later. This gives you communication with your PC. You need these prerequisites now to safely stop app optimization without being blocked by system restrictions. Next, you disable optimization for specific apps so they run uninterrupted. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Special App Access and Battery Optimization. Once there, switch the view to All Apps, tap the app you want, and choose Don't Optimize or Allow Background Activity. Also inspect the Apps Info page, App Info Battery, and make sure background restriction is off. This prevents the system from putting the app to sleep and explains why certain features stopped working when optimization was enforced. Finally, you can use a DB for precise control and perform final checks. Connect to a PC, then run commands like a DB shell dumpsys deviceidle disable for a temporary bypass or a DB shell cmd apop set package run in background allow to permit background runs. After applying changes, reboot your device and verify the app's behavior, then recheck battery and background settings. If things still fail, clear the app cache, reinstall the app, or disable the OEM-specific battery manager as a troubleshooting tip that often resolves stubborn optimizations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.